Hello dear students. So we will continue the topic of orthogonal trajectories. So in today's class we will see a few problems from the topic. So the first question here you have is, find the orthogonal trajectories on the cylinder y square equal to 2z of the curves in which it is cut by the system of planes x plus z equal to c, where c is a parameter. So your surface given is y square equal to 2z and the system of curves on the given surface is x plus z equal to c. Now find out the normal to this surface and to the one parameter family. So you will get fx, fy, fz, and similarly compute gx, gy, gz. Now once you have these values, you can solve for dx, dy, dz. That will give the simultaneous differential equation for the given system of curves. So take the cross product of these, or we have already seen what's the formula for finding PQR. Using that, okay, so you'll get P as 2y, Q as minus 2 and R as minus 2y. Now using this coefficients P, Q, R and these fx, fy and fz, we are going to find P dash, Q dash and R dash, which is the components of the simultaneous differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory. So using this, we will find out the value of P dash, Q dash and R dash. Okay. So find out P dash, Q dash and R dash, and then by solving for P dash, Q dash and R dash, so this is what you are going to get. Okay. So you are going to get dx by y square plus 1. So this minus 4 will cancel out. So you can rewrite it as dx by y square plus 1 equal to dy by y equal to dz by y square. Now you can group the terms here. So take this dy and dz. So y will cancel off. So you will get y dy equal to dz. So on integrating, you will get y square by 2 equal to z. So which you can see, which is your actual surface. So I am not using an arbitrary constant c there. So that is the solution, which is actually your surface. Now if I choose a set of multipliers as 1 minus 1 by y minus 1. So if you take multipliers, so you will get dx minus 1 by y dy minus dz equal to 0, and you can integrate this, you will get an exact differential, so which is x minus log y minus z equal to log c2, or that will give you, so removing or taking exponentials, you will get c2y equal to e raised to x minus z. So that is the equation of the orthogonal trajectory. So together with the surface, you have a system of curves on the surface. And another example is, so we'll go to the next problem to find the equation of system of curves on the cylinder. Again here you have 2y equal to x square and orthogonal to the intersection with the hyperboloids of one parameter system xy equal to z plus c. So here this is your f of xyz equal to 0, and here you have g of xyz equal to c. So we take it as 2y minus x square and here xy minus z, and then compute the first order partial derivatives. So that will give fx, fy, fz, then gx, gy, gz. So the simultaneous equation of the given system of curves will be dx by minus 2. So component P is, say here you have 2 into minus 1 minus 0, and for component Q is you have 0 into y minus 2x, so you are going to get 2x, and for R the value is minus 2x square minus 2y. So that is the simultaneous equation of the given system of curves. And now once you have P, Q and R, the equation of simultaneous equation of the orthogonal trajectory will be obtained in this form. So this is your P dash, Q dash and R dash, and you can see that x square plus y is common in these two. So here the equation will be independent of z. The first set of equation will be independent of z. So you are going to get dx equal to dy by x. So on integrating you will get x square equal to 2y. And again in the next, for finding the next solution, I am using substitution here. Substitution in dx, and I am going to take the third ratio, dz by minus 4 minus x square. Okay, so it is x square actually. So here you will get dx by 3x square equal to dz by minus 2 1 plus x square. So on integrating, this is the value of z. So z is minus 2 by 3 into minus 1 by x plus c1. So this is your surface together with the system of curves. So that is the equation of the orthogonal trajectory. And the next question, so it's a show that question. So we have to show that the orthogonal trajectory is on the hyperboloid of the conics in which it is cut by the system of planes x plus y equal to c are its curves of intersection with the surface x minus y into z equal to k, where k is a parameter. So here you are given the surface, which is a hyperboloid. So x square plus y square minus z square equal to 1. So that is your f of x, y, z equal to 0, and they are cut by the system of planes. So this is the system of curves x plus y equal to c. So that is your g of x, y, z equal to c, and you have to show that the equation of orthogonal trajectory is a system of curves which forms an orthogonal trajectory is given by x minus y into z equal to k. So first of all find out fx, fy, fz, gx, gy, gz. So using that find p, q and r. So you get p as 2z, q as minus 2z and r as 2x minus 2y. And once you have p, q, r values and fx, fy, fz, you can solve for p dash, q dash and r dash. Okay. So here, so you have got p dash, q dash and r dash. Now I can cancel out 4. 4 is common in all the ratios. So I'll get the system of equation for the orthogonal trajectory. Now with the help of multipliers, okay, so this will be equal to dx minus dy by, so I am choosing my multipliers as 1 minus 1 0, and here the multipliers are x, y and minus z. Now by solving this equation, dz by z into x plus y equal to dx minus dy by minus y minus x into x minus y. So x plus y will cancel off on both sides. So here you will have dz by z, then dx minus dy by minus of x minus y, which will form an exact differential. So here okay, on integrating you will get z into x minus y equal to k, and from the last term, so your denominator is 0, so that gives x dx plus y dy minus z dz equal to 0. So on integrating, this is going to give your surface. So if I replace c by 1, that will give me the surface. So you have a surface together with the system of curves. So z into x minus y equal to k is the orthogonal trajectory, which you have to prove. Okay. So those are a few examples for finding the orthogonal trajectories for a system of curves lying on a surface. Now I'll give a few questions for you to solve. Okay.